Let's make the fluffiest banana pudding. It's a copycat recipe to Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding, except that this recipe does have cream cheese. Now it's scoopable, it has layers of fluffy banana pudding and soft vanilla wafers. I mean, it is one of the best banana pudding recipes. You have to try it. Plus, it's pretty easy to make. So let's start with the banana pudding mixture. We're going to add some cold water, and then we're going to be adding in some heavy cream and 2 instant pudding mixes. Now I use the banana pudding flavor mixes, and that's for both boxes. I really like that banana pudding flavor. So we're just going to mix for about 2 minutes, and that really helps to make a smooth pudding. Now pour that mixture into a container, and we're going to be covering that and placing it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. And while that refrigerates, we're going to start on our whipped cream. Now I stabilized this so it can keep that nice and fluffy texture. So I used about like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here. Now you can reduce that if you'd like it a little bit softer, but at least 1 tablespoon is best. So we're going to use our stand mixer, and then we're going to mix until it's nice and fluffy. For the third part of this fluffy banana pudding mixture, we're going to add in a block of very soft cream cheese and a whole can of sweetened condensed milk. For extra flavor, we're going to add in a full tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then take the bowl to the stand mixer, and we're going to mix for about 8 minutes. It really helps to volumize and smooth out the mixture. Grab the chilled banana pudding, and then we're going to fold this in to that cream cheese mixture. I add about 3 scoops at a time, and then we're going to fold it in as delicate as possible, trying not to deflate the fluffy texture of this pudding. Now to fold in that stabilized whipped cream, I do maybe about 2 to 3 large scoops of the whipped cream, and then just the same delicate folding in. So now we have that nice and fluffy, almost mousse-like banana pudding mixture. I mean, I can eat it just like this. It's so good. So now we're going to move on to bananas. So are you team bananas in the pudding or not in the pudding? I love the bananas both ways, depending on how I want to serve it. If it is that I'm going to put this for some sort of cookout where I'm going to eat this in one day, I'm putting bananas in the pudding. But if I'm going to do this where I know I'm going to want leftovers, for a few days, then I'm not putting that in. I'm just serving it with the sliced bananas. So I like to thinly slice the bananas, make sure the bananas are nice and ripe with a few brown speckles. And if you are putting this in the pudding, you can toss a little bit of lemon juice to prevent the browning of the bananas. So your choice. So let's start layering. I'm using this deep dish Pyrex. It's a 9x13. I start with a layer of the fluffy banana pudding mixture, and then I like to spread that into an even layer. I like to do the layer of fluffy mixture, wafers, another layer of fluffy mixture, more wafers, and then that final layer of fluffy mixture. I really want to cover those wafers really well so they are nice and soft. So when everything is nicely evened, we're just going to place that cover on top and then chill it in the fridge. I like to chill it for a minimum of 6 hours, but overnight is best. So let's make a nice small individual serving of banana pudding. So I didn't put any bananas in the pudding in this, so we're going to serve it along on the side. So you're just going to take a ice cream scoop, and then we're going to scoop, layer bananas, and then more scoop. So I hope you make this delicious banana pudding. You can find a link to the blog post with the full recipe. I'll see you guys in the next video.